Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running. Nothing.
Happy birthday!
No reason why. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way.
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a ending.
Wow, how fun!
Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day.
First birthday ni Ezra. Maging mabuting bata. Lumaki siya.
Maraming kung hindi po dahil sa mga